Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to sign into your Shopify account, and if you have a GoDaddy account, you can open it in a new tab, and here you will see the dashboard after logging in. So now on the other tab where you have opened your Shopify account, go to your Shopify dashboard and then click on the settings button, which is on the bottom left corner. And now from the menu, which is on the left side, you have to select the domain button. After selecting domain button, now you have to click to connect existing domain, and now enter the domain which you want to connect and click next. After clicking next, click connect automatically, and then a GoDaddy domain page will appear. Now click on the connect button and close the page. So here you see the SSL which shows pending. Now don't worry, just give some time and it will approve. So now open your website, and here you see the connection is secure. So that's how you will connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.